Okay, so we're back at it once again. We've got more trimmings off. This time it's the rear end. And we've got one more bottle. That's right, one more bottle of the Meguiars plastic restore. So we're gonna see how it goes. Taken off the mud guards. And I've given everything a clean already. Taking the badges off. Door cards. So everything's got to be done. Alright, so the sugar soap, we've applied the sugar soap, we've washed everything down, and it's just come up a lot cleaner. Again, I'm pretty skeptical about this whole experiment. It's taken hours to do this. Most people wouldn't even bother. Why would you bother? But we've done it anyway. I've cleaned everything down with sugar soap, and now we've got one more container of the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant Dash and Trim Restorer. We've got one more container to finish off the last of the car, all the back parts, and that'll be the end of the experiment. So I'm going to apply a few coats of this and we'll see how the plastic turns out. So there we have it, guys. I've finished up with all the parts. I've put 2 coats on. It's just like it was expected. Everything come up fresh and glossy looking. Everything come up renewed. Like I said before, guys, I'm pretty skeptical about this. I don't think it will last very long. I mean, who would even bother to do this? It was a failed experiment, in my opinion. I mean, it was $40. It wasn't that expensive, but it was good to try. And what I got out of it was, it was interesting removing all the parts from the car and giving everything a freshen up. But I really don't think this product actually makes a plastic brand new. It's just a fancy waxy cleaner. I had some extra inside. This is the last bottle, and it's empty now. I've gone through 2 bottles. I just went crazy and just did the hubcaps again. I usually wouldn't put this much on, but I just smeared it all over, and I was just interested to see what it would be like saturating plastic parts with it. But yeah, that was the experiment, and it took a lot of time and a lot of hours. It was interesting. Is it worth your money though? Was it worth the $40? Well, I'll leave that up to you to decide, but I think I probably could have spent my time doing other things. The attempt at restoring plastic using a plastic restoring compound, it was an experiment. The hubcaps did come up okay. Would I buy this product, the Meguiars, just to keep the hubcaps clean? I don't know if it's worth it. I mean, the trimmings come up pretty fresh. I got my Meguiars plastic restoration on special, 2 for $40. It was worth trying out as an experiment. I don't think I'd buy it again, at least if I really needed it. $28 for 1 bottle.